Hey guys, it's Melissa. In this video, I'm going to quickly show you how to find free images to add to your gang sheets if you're using the Fontsy gang sheet builder. So of course you can upload your own artwork, or if you have a logo or something that you have a customer that they want you to print it, you can upload that. However, if you're just looking for a stash of designs, if you go instead of to graphics, which is where your uploaded designs go, if you click here on our designs, Fontsy has several hundred designs that are uploaded. So these are not the designs, these are actually just the categories. So if you pick one of the categories, and then you can go through and you'll be able to find. So let's say you want this one. Now you can pull that in and size it just like you would if you uploaded it yourself. It does have a watermark on there that is not going to show when it prints. This is the only exception to the rule of what you see in your gang sheet builder is what is going to print. Okay, is this watermark. So it's even telling you up here the watermark is visible, exclusively intended to protect these images. So you can go through here and pick the images that you want to add to your gang sheet. You can add as many as you want that will fit on your gang sheet. You can go back to other categories. So let's say you're looking for a couple for Christmas. You can find these here as well, and you can size them. And then in addition to that, if you want to fill this remaining space with one that you have uploaded, you can combine by going to graphics and then uploading your own design here as well. And so you will be able to make your gang sheet exactly as you want it. So I'm just going to fill this extra space here. You do not need to mirror your images or anything like that. The printer will do all of that for you. So again, if you're looking for free images that you can use with your gang sheet builder, Fontsy does offer hundreds of them here for you. Hopefully we've been able to break them down into categories that are easy to sort through.